Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Blanca. Alright, so in this video, I am featuring the new Dahlia. I don't know how to say it. It's D-A-H. How do you spell it? Hang on. D-A-H-L-I-A. Dahlia. Okay. In this video, I am going to be talking about the Dahlia palette by Sedona Lace. They were so sweet and sent me this palette to review and show you guys and do, you know, a makeup look with. They are also wanting to give one of these away to one lucky subscriber of mine. So this is what the palette looks like. It's super gorgeous, and I don't know about you, but it kind of gives me a certain vibe. Kind of reminds me of another palette that's out there. Of course, this one is way cheaper. Wow, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. So it's got 5 pressed glitters down here, and then it has 10 shimmery shadows, and then the rest are just matte shadows. And these colors blend beautifully, as you guys will see in this tutorial. How you enter is, you must be a subscriber to my channel, and please follow me on Instagram. I will leave all my info down below. I'll leave my Instagram right here. You also must follow Sedona Lace on their Instagram, and just comment down below in this video your Instagram username and why you would like to win this palette. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I will be announcing the winner in 2 weeks on my Instagram stories, so you don't want to miss out on that. So special thanks to Sedona Lace for partnering up with me. I love Sedona Lace. They've always been good to me, and I love their products. They have makeup brushes as well, so go check them out. I will leave their link down below if you guys are interested. So if you guys want to see how I got this eye look, then go ahead and keep on watching, and good luck to everyone who enters. And like I said, I will be announcing the winner in 2 weeks. And yeah, let's get right into this eye tutorial. Alright guys, so I did complete this eye just to save some time, and yeah. So we're just going to jump into the tutorial. I'm just going to start off by taking this shade right here. These don't have any names on them, so yeah, they don't have any names. Go ahead and take this nice light peachy shade and just pop that into my crease. But before I do that, I'm going to prime my lid because I forgot to do that. You want to start off with a light shade and work yourself up into the darker shades in order to get a nice blend. Next, I'm going in with this orange shade right here, and I'm just popping that right over top of the previous shade and just blending that out. These colors are so easy to work with. They blend out flawlessly. Then I'm going to move right below that shade and go with this one into my crease, but bringing it down a little bit more than the last shade. And it doesn't matter if it gets on your lid because we're going to cover that up with glitter anyways, so. Alright, so now I'm going to move into these shades right here. So I'm going to go in with the brighter shade first, right here. I'm going to barely tap it because it's very pigmented. Then I'm going to move it into the shade below it. And I'm just going to blend that out with the first brush that I used that had the orange on it, and just blend all that out just so that it gets rid of any harsh lines. I'm going to take this shade right here, just pop that on the outer part of my eye. I'm going to go in back with the orange shade. I'm going to mix these two together and just run that along my crease. crease and a little bit above. So I am going to go over top of my lid just because I did on the other side, so I don't want it to look any different. So I'm just taking this shade right here. So I don't have much experience working with glitter, so I didn't know that I was supposed to put something tacky or glitter glue on before putting on the glitter. I don't have glitter glue, so for the glitter part, I'm going in with this pink one right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet it. I'm going to spritz it with my Fix Plus, and I'm just going to like press it and drag it down until it grabs some. So you should end up with something like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that last shade that I used, which was this red one right here, and I'm just going to apply that right where the glitter stops. And then I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow. It's really pretty, so I'm just going to add that to the inner corner of my eye. So then for my brow bone, I'm going to take this vanilla shade right here. And this is such a pretty shade. And then I'm going to add this shimmery, almost like a rose gold. I'm going to do my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. The lashes I'm going to be using are my usual DO5 lashes that I got from AliExpress, and maybe I'll link them down below if you guys are interested in them. And so yeah, I'll be right back. I ended up getting mascara on my nose. I messed up my eyeliner on this side, so let's just ignore that. Okay, so I want to show you guys what you can do if this happens to you, because it always happens. You know, you're almost done your makeup and then bam, you get mascara on your nose, you get it on your forehead. If this does happen to you, I know the first reaction is to probably just grab your finger and wipe it off, but that's the biggest mistake. Don't do that, because you're gonna end up with mascara all over your nose. So what you want to do is just wait for the mascara to completely dry. But before I show you guys what to do next, I want to tell you guys what I put on my lower lash line. So I just smoked out my lower lash line using these 3 shades right here. So now I'm just gonna go in and line my waterline with a black liner, just like that. And I'm also going to tightline. It's gonna make your eyelashes just blend way better. I recently started doing this and I don't like doing it because the feeling is just, oh, it grosses me out. What you want to do is take a Q-tip, just a clean one with nothing on it, and all you're going to do is just flick it off. It does remove a little bit of the foundation, so just go in with your beauty blender, just dab it over top. So it's all gone. Very easy. It didn't ruin my whole makeup look. And this completes the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and follow all the rules. They will all be down below. Special thanks to Sedona Lace once again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.